Bledsoe, Chief Meteorologist here at BrianBledsoeWeather.com. Thanks again for logging on this Friday morning. Storm system. Everybody's wanting to know about it, folks. Well, bottom line, we still aren't going to be able to determine exactly where this storm is going to track for about another day or so. It's still out in the Pacific Ocean. Once it gets on shore, our computer models will have a much better sampling of exactly what this storm system is all about and exactly where it's going to go. I still think the upper low with this storm system is probably going to pass a little bit too far to the north to really give us a lot of beneficial moisture across most of southern and eastern Colorado, as well as southwest Kansas. I think the farther north you live, the better shot that you're going to have of seeing some significant moisture out of this. Now, that's what most of the models are saying right now. There is one model which actually makes a good deal of sense to me. It's called the NAM model, that actually has the farthest south storm track out of every single model that we're looking at, and it brings some decent moisture to a large part of eastern Colorado. Now, again, that's kind of the outlier. When we look at these models, we look for some consensus as far as what everything is looking at and exactly the track that they're actually perpetuating the storm to take. So a little bit of pause as far as that model is concerned, but it has been very consistent with its solution, and it makes sense as to why it has what it does as far as its solution is concerned, if you follow me there. So, like I said, still a lot to be decided as far as the track is concerned, but overall, the storm is going to be very, very strong. The farther north you live, you're probably going to have the better chance of moisture, and all of us are going to see a great deal of wind out of this. And the storm's impacts are likely going to linger for a few days into next week as the storm initially goes to the east and then kind of waggles back to the west just a little bit and could give us another glancing blow, especially Tuesday and into Tuesday night. I'll have more information on that in the short-range portion of this website. Be sure to click on the tab up there at the top of the page. Long-range forecast information is also updated, and we'll be watching this storm very closely for you as we head into the weekend. Have yourself a great Friday, folks.